fellow cosplay enthusiasts. I'm Yaya Han, and I'm thrilled to announce my new partnership with Full Spectrum Laser, a premier laser cutter company in the United States. From my myriad of costume projects, I really needed a laser cutter with a larger bed. That's why I'm so stoked to receive a new beast of a laser cutter from Full Spectrum, the Muse Titan Desktop CO2 laser system with a whopping 48-inch by 24-inch workspace. Look at the size of this beauty! As a Full Spectrum partner, I am learning tons of new skills and techniques with the Muse Titan, which I will apply as a think-outside-the-box costume maker. And of course, I will share my knowledge with all of you in some fun videos and tutorials. Today, I want to introduce you to the Muse Titan and give you an idea of what you can cut with it. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with my latest cosplay videos. Now, let's take a closer look at the Muse Titan. First and foremost, let's talk about the workspace and power of the Muse Titan. This beauty offers a whopping 48 by 24-inch workspace and can unleash up to 100 watts of power. That means we can tackle massive projects with a variety of materials and way more creative freedom. Here you can see how beautifully the Titan cut a custom scalloped hem on this piece of dual fantasy Dupioni fabric. Now, let's talk about the software. The Muse Titan comes with a browser-based cutting software called Retina Engrave, making it super easy to import vector designs and prep them for cutting. Here, I'm prepping this butterfly design for cutting 1/8 inch acrylic. It's super easy to input the cut settings and position the design. Now here's where things get really exciting. The Muse Titan comes with a 3D camera so you can capture live footage of the cutting bed. The camera scans the surface, ensuring my laser cuts align perfectly. I always do a live capture before a cut, and it gives me so much more confidence when using expensive fabrics, leathers, or acrylics. One of my favorite features has to be the pass-through system and removable floor. The Muse Titan allows me to feed materials from all sides, making it ideal for working with fabrics and other flat lay materials. The removable floor lets me engrave objects even bigger than the machine bed. The possibilities are truly endless. There are additional features such as the 7-inch LCD screen, self-tensioning torsion springs, autofocus, and rotary attachment, all of which can be found on the Muse Titan product page. So now, I want to talk about the materials I will be cutting with the Muse Titan. It goes without saying that I will cut EVA foam and thermoplastics with this laser, but I'm probably the most excited to be cutting a lot of fabrics, because the large workspace and feed-through system finally allows me to lay out full yardage. So expect some costumes with intricate cutouts, custom-shaped hems, and fun overlays in the future. Be aware that PVC should never be cut with a CO2 laser, and organic fabrics like cotton and silks can be too flammable for lasers. Please do your research and cut responsibly. I'm also stoked to work with acrylics more. This is a butterfly standee I made out of an 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch acrylic, which will adorn my workroom. You can just as easily make accessories like visors and props like light-up katanas with the Muse Titan. And of course, the Muse Titan will cut wood beautifully. Now is a great time to announce my first costume project with this laser cutter, which will be Idea Kramer from Final Fantasy VIII. So 8 was the first Final Fantasy game I fully played through, and Idea is my personal OG Final Fantasy villain. I have always wanted to cosplay her, but never felt like trying to figure out that crazy clock back piece. When I received the Muse Titan, the first thing I thought of was finally cosplaying Idea and using the Titan to cut out the clockwork. So here is some Baltic birch wood, which is fairly affordable and comes in a variety of sizes and thicknesses. We got it at a local hardware store. We're doing test cuts right now of the clockwork parts in various thicknesses of wood. Shout out to Dangerous Ladies for making the clockwork vector files for me. I will document the costume process fully and show you in a separate video how I use the Muse Titan to create Idea. One last thing I want to mention. If you're thinking about getting the Muse Titan, consider investing in an air compressor like this one. I also have a high-quality air filtration system attached to the Titan, which makes the entire setup easily movable and keeps my shop clean. Both are must-have accessories for ensuring a safe working environment and longevity for the laser cutter. All of these products are available on the Full Spectrum website, and you can use coupon code YayahanTitan to save $500 off a Muse Titan purchase. Additionally, the coupon code YayaHan gives you $250 off any small laser like the Muse 3D or the Muse Core. In conclusion, the full-spectrum Muse Titan is a game changer for cosplayers and costume makers. With its expansive workspace, innovative features, and user-friendly design, it's the tool that can take your cosplay creations to the next level. So, if you're ready to elevate your crafting game and bring your cosplay dreams to life, the Muse Titan is your go-to laser cutter. Full Spectrum has some handy tutorial videos, including how to use Inkscape, a free, powerful design software, to make vectors and import into the cutter software. Subscribe to their channel linked below. And if you found this video entertaining or informative, please give me a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cosplay and crafting adventures. Until next time, happy crafting!